Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drain pump on your front load LG washing machine, and it is located behind this trap door here. We do have to remove the top panel and the front panel, but not to worry, I'll show you how easy it is to get all those off and get access to it. Alright, first thing we have to do is remove the top panel, and to do that you have these two Phillips head screws, just the ones on the bottom. We're going to remove those. Then we grab our panel and we slide it about 1.5 inches towards the back and then lift out. Next we have this one Phillips head screw to remove this front panel. Next we pull out our detergent drawer, and on the bleach side you have this tab, push it down and that unlocks it, comes out all the way. Then we have two Phillips head screws that we need to remove. Next, this whole front control panel will come off. I'll show you from the other side, and we need to pinch it and pull it forward. So there's clips locking this in. We just need to pull it forward, and we're going to flip it over here and just rest it on top. Then we're going to open up this little door on the bottom, grab our drain tube, pull it forward, and then remove this Phillips head screw. Then we grab our flat blade screwdriver, pop this panel out, and we have another Phillips head screw here we need to remove. Alright, next we have to remove this seal from the front, and you'll see there's a spring here with two holes in the end. And we're going to use a spring removal tool, and we'll put each end of the tool into those holes, and then you simply squeeze and that'll spread it, and we take off the clamp. And then we peel off our seal and tuck it in out of the way. Next we have to remove this door latch. We're going to take out these two Phillips head screws and then reach in behind the seal and pull it free. Then you'll see the door latch is just free. Set it gently in behind the panel. Next we have two Phillips head screws here and two on this side. We need to remove them, and just be aware when you're on your last screw, hold on to this because it will come forward on you. Alright, so now your panel will come forward. Just go at a slight angle and we're going to lift up. Alright, so you see with everything removed, just behind this portion of the panel, this is your drain pump. And you have these two hoses. They both have clamps. We need to remove those and get the hoses off. And as you can see, just be prepared, a whole bunch of water will come out. Alright, so on the side of our pump, we have two wiring harnesses. We're just going to use some needle nose pliers and remove those. Just gently wiggle them back and forth. And then we push it out of the holders right here. Next we have two Phillips head screws here we have to remove. Alright, and if you feel just under this portion of the pump, I'll show you when a pump is out. There's a little tab on the frame, and you push it down, and your pump should wiggle free. So you can see this is where the pump was resting in the frame, just right inside there. That is the tab we're pushing. We just push it down, and that unlocks it to slide our pump back. Alright, so we're going to grab our pump. You'd grab your new one and put it into place, but this is a scrap machine. We're just going to put our old one back in. So I find it easier to start with your hose here, slide it in first, and then if you see right here is where the wiring harnesses go. We clip them in, and then this track we slide our pump on, so the square piece will go right into the track, and you hear it click. Alright, so before we go any further, we're going to put our two Phillips head screws back in. so that everything is a bit secure. All right, then we're going to take our two hoses and put them back into place with the clamps. All right, once everything is secure, you're good to start putting all your panels back together. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, then we grab our front panel and we just grab our door latch. If you closed it, push the tab there, open up the door, and you'll see there's 3 slits in the bottom panel. They go on those hooks there. And we put our 4 screws into place. Then we reach in behind, grab our door latch, and put it into place. Put our 2 screws in. Then we grab our seal, and we're going to fold the lip over here. Then we grab our spring clamp and we spread it open, start at the top, seat it in. Then we grab our Phillips head screw, put it into the panel at the bottom here. Grab our panel, put it back in. Another Phillips head screw here. Then we grab our panel, fold it down, click everything into place. Grab our 2 longer Phillips head screws. Place our detergent drawer back, push down the tab, install our Phillips head screw. Take our front panel, leave an 1.5 inch gap in the front there, and put our 2 Phillips head screws back in. Alright, so hopefully this was helpful and not too difficult, and hopefully it gets your machine running as you need it to do your laundry. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.